Shenzhen Kerui Smart Technology Company Limited is a professional large-scale security equipment manufacturer in China, with self-owned large-scale industrial parks in Haiyan City and Huizhou City. It has developed into a leading manufacturer of smart security products and Internet of Things equipment in China. We strictly check every process from research and development, design, to production and quality inspection to ensure the high quality of our products. At present, Kerui has more than 60 excellent software and hardware engineers, deployed a number of large-scale production and SMT equipment, self-built large-scale ray electromagnetic shielding testing workshop and 3C laboratory, has automatic production equipment and fully automatic testing equipment including welding robots and assembly robots. Kerui has realized automated production and automatic testing. We have perfect production technology and complete production process. We strictly control each process and strive for excellence.